G'day everyone, Joe Spencer, Beowulf Builders. Great to see you all. We have got the opportunity to have a look at a flat Cliplock Deck roof. We get asked questions about different roofs all the time. I'm making a video about that, so stay tuned. Today though, we're looking at the Cliplock Deck with a box gutter system. Cliplock decks are very useful because we can get those onto a minimum of pitch of a 1 degree fall. Here we've got a 3 degree fall and it runs all the way down and then into a box gutter system that runs all the way through here. What that allows us to do if we've got a flat roof is we don't have to find as much roof space or ceiling space to pitch a roof. It also allows us to get our floors closer together and helps a lot with insulation. If you just have a look over here, you can see this is a pitched roof. It comes all the way up and then it goes down the other side the same way. And these roofs all along here are all pitched roofs. So we've got a bit of wasted space in this roofing area. A lot of time over in England, when I was working over in England, whenever we had a pitched roof, we'd actually turn it into an attic space or storage space, but that's another story. Get it? Another story. The other thing that some people do with a Cliplock deck or a flat roof is they put a decking over the top of it. I am not a huge fan of decking over the top of a flat roof. Reason being because if you puncture that in any way, shape or form, it becomes very hard to patch up and to seal all of those holes. Or it also might void your warranty for your roofing. If you've got any other questions or queries, please let me know. I'm happy to answer anything. And yes, I am married. Stay tuned and I look forward to seeing you in the soup.